Want to work for 12 hours a day and still feel energized? Here's the mindset shift that makes it possible. Most people think focus is about discipline. It's not. It's about momentum. And momentum starts with the first 10 minutes. So here's what you do. Set a 10-minute minimum effort task. Something so easy your brain can't say no. Write one sentence. Read one page. Open the file. Because once you start, your brain shifts gears. Dopamine kicks in. Flow begins. And now you're locked in. Then, protect the zone. Turn off all triggers, notifications, tabs, distractions. One distraction resets your momentum timer. Don't give in. Next, use a challenge ratio. Set your tasks just hard enough to be engaging, but not overwhelming. This keeps your brain in flow, not fight or flight. Finally, stack your wins. At the end of each session, log what you did, even if it's small. Your brain loves progress, and progress becomes motivation. This isn't magic, it's math. Tiny starts, protected flow, logged wins, repeat. Master this, and 12-hour days won't drain you. They'll drive you.